So today we got our first wave of boxes for the solar system. We're going to open them up, see what's inside. Got a handy pair of pliers available here. This one's going to be my inverter. It's like Christmas in August. I'm excited. So let's take a look. Ooh, shiny. So I forgot why exactly, but I went with the pure sine inverter. I did enough research to realize that the pure sine is what I wanted to go with. Has something to do with regulating wattage, voltage, something like that. I just woke up, so I sound like this. I didn't just wake up, but I'm just speaking for the first time, so here are my connectors in this gorgeous inverter. What a beauty. Oh my. So there she is again. Wow. So again, that is the PS 1005 pure sine 1500 watt inverter from Power Tech On. It was $209 and something cents on Amazon. I bought everything through Amazon, including my giant batteries and solar panels that will be coming in the next week or so. So I believe this is my battery monitor. So this is what I'm going to have hooked up to show me all the good stuff about my batteries and my battery health. And this was only like 20 bucks, so it's a really good investment. It's not 100% necessary, but again, especially for somebody like me who has like really limited knowledge of like everything, it's really important. I was gonna get the 60 amp charge controller. I ended up going with the 50 amp. We're peeling. Just to give you a sense of what this charge controller looks like. It was only, this is again the 50 amp, this was only like 150 bucks on Amazon. I had seen the same exact thing for nearly $100 more, almost double the price on eBay and anywhere else you could look to find it. So Amazon plus free shipping, I mean, you really can't beat Amazon. It sucks kind of because I like supporting local businesses and smaller businesses, but I mean, $100, I can't, you know, double the price, you can't. It makes it really tough. So once again, I will have links to everything and stuff will pop up where you can see the exact product I got, and we'll talk about more about its use in once it's all installed, which will be in the next few weeks here on this channel. We'll have more unboxing stuff probably in this very video. So the solar panels arrived a little early. We're going to have a mini unboxing here today as well. This is just one of 3 boxes. Basically just going to open this one box to make sure it's not damaged, and I'll just assume the other 2 aren't damaged as well. This is so exciting. This is going to be my thumbnail. We unboxed 3 175 watt monocrystalline solar panels. They are from Nicolai. I believe it's a Chinese company. Let's take a look. Made in, big reveal, China. I got 2 12 volt 200 amp hour batteries from Renogy, I believe it is, Renogy. So they were a little bit more expensive, and especially since these are massive 12 volt 200 amp hour batteries. The UPS guy delivered the one yesterday, which I haven't properly unboxed, but it's 130 pounds, this massive battery.
We're going to take a look in just a minute but the other one's on its way, going to be here today or tomorrow, so by the time the video comes out I'll have it. Exactly what I bought is going to be down in the description below, so take a look and use those links to purchase anything if you're looking to purchase something similar. And so now I'm going to just take a walk around and kind of show you. It's really messy in here right now, but I'm going to walk around. I'm going to show kind of what I'm thinking as far as the solar system goes now that we have all the stuff except for the wiring, which I'm trying to do this all myself, and with the help of my cousin's been really helpful, helping me get rid of the generator. My uncle came and helped me move the fridge, so those are both out now. There's still a couple things I got to do with the generator, which may be done, the generator space rather, which may be done by the time this video comes out. I'm going to show you guys anyways, just to give you a sense and kind of clear my own head about what I want to do, where I want to install. So take a look. So I think it's obvious to say that the solar panels will be right here above me on the roof. We kind of went over that in the past as far as placement. So we'll have obviously 3 panels, and the wires will come down right here. Probably through here, I was thinking. This is my closet in the back bedroom space, if you can see. So the roof up top, obviously. Okay. And so looking inside here, I think I'll probably run the cords down, rather the other side, sorry, down so it's in the corner, and then it'll go down here. And I was thinking about putting the charge controller up top in that closet area, but I'm probably going to put it somewhere here. So this is the generator space right now. This is insulation, and underneath is metal sheeting that we're going to get rid of. So this will be open space where I put my batteries. So the batteries will go boom, boom, and then I'll probably put the charge controller, let's see, I'll probably put it on this wall. No, that doesn't, I guess I didn't think this through too good. Anyways, so the batteries are definitely going to be here. The charge controller is going to be somewhere. I'm going to be cutting this out to be able to put my inverter right here and have that space. This space is right now unused, but again, there's a wood sheet that goes up here that will act as my well, my bed goes back there, if you remember, and then I'll have my record player and some other stuff here, just a seat. This will be storage space here and here and here, and of course wires heading into this mess here. This is what I most need to figure out. I'm not sure exactly how to wire that. I'm going to need to get rid of those old wires that went to the generator, and my guess is just replace those and fit them in to where the generator wires went. If anyone has any advice, I would so very much appreciate it, because I have no clue. I'm going to have to do a lot more research here in the next couple weeks, but I just really want to try to do this myself, or with as little help as possible. So sorry for the shaky camera today. So this week I'm heading to Bumbershoot up in Seattle. It's a music festival. I'm going to be shooting for an online magazine I contribute to occasionally. So I'm taking the RV on a trip up to Seattle. So we'll see how she does. I'm going to basically just have everything cleaned up. I think I'm going to toss the bed back here. I'm going to be camping. I just signed up for Boondockers Welcome. I found a great place to stay on Bainbridge Island, just to the west of Seattle. So I'm really looking forward to that experience. Boondockers Welcome is only, I think it was $30 a year. So this membership pays off in like a day or two if you camp. What it is basically is RVers helping out RVers. If they have a space in their driveway, that type of thing, wherever it may be, you can put it on Boondockers Welcome, and you stay for free. So, or well, rather that nominal $30 a year. So again, I'll be taking the RV up to the Seattle area, see how she runs down the road. I won't have the solar installed yet. I will be doing that the week after, or the week when I come back, which is Monday, Labor Day. So On Labor Day, I'm going to start my own labor here in the RV. So the next video you'll see will be about the trip up to Seattle, how that went. Beyond that, we'll finally be installing the solar system. I'm so excited. We'll see how that goes.